Here's a super cute, simple Grinch-themed Christmas ornament for kids to make. It only requires a few materials and can be done in just one setting. It's perfect for kids of all ages, including preschoolers and kindergartners. You need a clear ornament, pom-poms in a variety of green shades, and a red and black paint pen. Take off the top of your ornament and fill it with your pom-poms. This makes for great fine motor skill practice. Now draw a heart on the ornament and add designs if you like. Hang on your tree and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.